Hello guys, this is Sagar Saxena and welcome to my channel Data Driven Dive. So today I'm back again with another powerful trick of Excel. So this is not trick we can say, but you have to use this formula, okay? Because we are using VLOOKUP from very back since ages. So now it's not time to use VLOOKUP. It's time to change. It's time to use something else another instead of VLOOKUP because VLOOKUP only works when we have data left aligned. So I'll show you. We have some data in that sheet. We have serial number, age, job, marital status, education, marital education, key outcome, yes, no, and then response. Then in that sheet we have salary and serial number, age, salary. We don't have salary in that sheet. So I want to bring salary in that sheet. So first way is to bring that salary is using VLOOKUP. So I named column as salary and equal to VLOOKUP. We can start every formula in Excel with equal to. So equal to VLOOKUP bracket open. First we have to give lookup value. What is our lookup value? I want to extract salary on the basis of serial number. So I will give serial number as my lookup value. Then comma. Then we have to select table array. So I want to extract salary from this table. So I selected this as table array. Then it is a formula bar below ribbon. So you can write formula here also. It will not impact anything. Okay. Then we have to give column index number. So what is this column index number? So when we are using VLOOKUP formula, so we have to give column index number. So A is known as 1, B is known as column index number 2, C is known as column index number 3, D is known as column index number 4, and so on. So here we have salary present in C column, so it is column index number 3. Then comma, then we have to give 0 or 1. 0 is for exact match and 1 is for approximate match. We can give true and false also. So I will give 0 for exact match, bracket close, and I will get salary here. Then we can double click on this point and we will get salary for all the ages and all the serial number column. Okay, so this is a traditional method. Okay, and suppose I cut this cell and paste it here. Okay, so there is nothing in that A column. There shall be something else in that column which cannot be present in that sheet as well. So how we can extract salary now? Now VLOOKUP will not work. So suppose first I will delete this formula. Okay, I will again apply VLOOKUP. Then our lookup value, then our lookup array. Then we have column index number is 4 now. Cell is present in fourth column, then 0. So it will give you reference error here because we don't have present anything in that column. If anything is present in that column that will be present in that sheet, then we can use VLOOKUP on the basis of that column, because VLOOKUP only work when we have data in left columns, in left aligned data. Okay, so now VLOOKUP will not work. So how we can extract salary now? Now there is a catch. Here we can use combination of index and match function. Okay, suppose you have data here, anywhere else in the sheet. Okay, you can use index match here. Okay, so first we'll use index equal to index bracket open. In this index, first you have to give array. So what is our array? I want to find the salary. So salary will be our array. We can give single column here, no problem. Then comma, in combination with index, we can use match function here. Match bracket open. Then we have to give lookup value. So what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is same what we are using in VLOOKUP formula, because our lookup value is serial number. On the basis of serial number, we are extracting salary. Then comma, then we have to give lookup array. I am searching this lookup value in that particular lookup array. Okay, so I will give this as lookup array. Then comma, then we have to give 0 for exact match. 1 is for less than, and 1 is minus 1 is for greater than. So we want exact match, so we will use 0. Then bracket close. It is the bracket of match. Then we have to close the bracket of index also. Okay, then enter. Then I will get salary here by using the index match formula. So this is the very simple formula of combination of index match. You can practice that formula. First you have to practice index formula, then you can practice match formula, then you can practice combination of index and match formula. Okay, so this will help you, because these questions are very much important nowadays in interview as well, because they play a trick with you. They copied the data in that cell, and then they told you how you can extract salary. So you will use VLOOKUP again, but you don't know VLOOKUP will not work when we don't have data left aligned. Okay, VLOOKUP will only work when we have left aligned data. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe the channel till now, please subscribe the channel. And if you want anything else, if you want top videos on any other topic, you can comment in comment box. I will try to bring that video as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.